Here we have a set of smoked LED rear lights. These are to fit a Renault Clio Mk3 Phase 1 and Phase 2. These rear lights are packed really well. This is to avoid any damage during transit. The lights are also packed inside a bubble wrap bag. This is to avoid any scratches on the lens. The kit includes 2 lights. These lights are part LED, so bulbs are not included for the reverse light or the indicator. These can be simply removed from the existing lights and refitted into this new set. The kit also includes built-in resistors. These lights have a smoke rear lens. They are completely plug and play. Everything is pre-wired, so they plug directly into the loom on your vehicle, so there is no need to alter any wiring. The overall build quality is really good, really nice smoked finish to them. This rear light set is fully E-marked, road legal and MOT compliant. This is a really simple upgrade you can do at home. Please see the links below in the description if you would like to purchase these. This will direct you to our eBay store or our website.